Hey everyone, my name is Washington, and welcome to episode 1 of my new Devlog series. This Devlog is going to involve me building a full 3D Ludo game with Rapier fiber, and I'm going to also use a Rapier for physics. Before I begin, I want to say that this is not a tutorial. I'm just going to take you through the whole process of how I go from zero to finish, and how I do things, how my approach to debugging, to just taking a project from zero to final. This devlog has been inspired by Bruno Simon's devlog series, which I've been following for the last few months. So I hope it really works out for him. So I've always loved Ludo, especially the way it mixes luck and strategy. And since I've been working a lot with physics in Rapier fiber, I thought, why not combine them and make something that's really cool, but it's also realistic. So for those who don't know, Ludo is a 4-player board game. So to begin, I decided to start with the dice. I found a really good 3D model on Sketchfab and brought it to my project. Then I set up everything, including the physics engine. I just applied multiple random different forces when you click on the dice, so that it appears to look almost natural and realistic. Making the dice look good was the easy part. The hard part was trying to figure out how to detect which side has landed on the top. So in most games, you'll find that people just cheat and randomize a number. But for this one, I wanted to use real physics and actually have the result read from the 3D scene. So my approach is, I went into Blender, I selected the dice, and I added an empty object to the center of each face. So the empties act as individual markers for each number. So then inside my Threejs scene, when the dice settled, we look at the empty which has the highest Y position, and that's the side that's facing up. So once I detect it, I save the number and store it using Zastand, and then display it on a small UI on the side. It sounds simple, but this part really took hours of trial and error to get. So in the next devlog, I'm just going to add the Ludo model and start the whole thing again. I will appreciate any feedback you have. If you have any ideas, write it in the comments. I'll probably read it. Yeah. So thanks. See you in the next devlog.